Today we are going to be doing a gardening slash seed maintenance, sowing, feeding, fertilizing, pretty much just trying to keep on top of my seedlings this season. And it's definitely a spring-like day here in Texas. So we're going to be looking at my seeds, what I have going on, what needs to be happening. And then if we have enough cell trays, we'll sow some more seeds. We're going to go through, see what we have. A couple of days ago, I came in and separated some seedlings that had germinated. Like if there was 2 or more in a cell tray or a seed cell, I took them apart and put them in different ones. So we're going to see how those are taking, see if anything needs to be dumped out and redone. And I want to kind of sow some flower seeds today, and we'll just go from there. We'll see what we can get ourselves into today. So if you like these gardening seedling type videos on my channel, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and it would mean so much to me. Let's get into it. Okay, if you haven't seen this before, this shelf system, I believe I got at like Home Depot or Walmart or something like that. The lights I got from Amazon. I'll link them down in the description box. And I have a heating pad that I'll link down in the description box. And then all these cell trays, most of them are self-watering, which is new for me this year. Here we have a tray of tomato seedlings that I separated out a couple of days ago. Some of them obviously aren't doing great. Some of them are doing okay. The soil is still moist, I think. Some of them are moist, some of them are dry. So I think I'm just going to turn this around and leave it as is. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, look at that. I did it. Okay. So we're just gonna leave that there. Some of them, yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna keep an eye on that. I'm gonna take her out. These are awesome if you have problems with little fungus gnats. Let's see, this one, same story. I just divided them, and some of them are taking better than others. So we're just gonna let those keep going. And then these are all things. Some of them need to be separated. I don't know, we'll see. That one looks fine. So I'm okay, if you can see this is a bunch of cosmos, and then I have a row of tomato transplants that are, they're getting through it. One thing that helps with the little fungus gnats is these little yellow things. They don't prevent them, they just help control. But if you really want to try to help with the fungus gnats, I've seen Laura with Garden Answer put fine sand on there. I don't have that, but I do have some vermiculite, which I'm just going to sprinkle on there. And maybe that I did when I first transplanted these over, but I'm going to add some more just vermiculite to see if that'll help. Vermiculite also helps with moisture control. So if you're overwatering or under watering. It helps with like the mold and stuff. Okay, now I have some trays that just need some extra attention. These trays, these smaller, like narrow, I think they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 12 cells, and it's a self-watering tray. And I got these off from Garden Supply. I got 4 of them. I thought they were bigger ones, but it's fine. So we needed to figure out what we're going to do with this. Some of them need to be separated. Some of them didn't come up for whatever reason. And then like we have a tray here that only has a few seedlings popping up out of it. I think what I'm going to do is take some of these out. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells in here that have stuff growing. So I'm going to take these out, put them in something else, and then use this tray for flowers. This tray, nothing popped up out of it. I think it did, and then I just missed it and it died out, which is unfortunate because this is all my poppies. Unfortunate. And then we just have these trays that need to be taken apart and so forth. So we're going to take some time and do this, and they'll come with me. First things first is we're going to deal with this tray that didn't really have anything in it. We're going to take these tags out. Oh, there's one little seedling right there. And then I'm just going to take this, and I don't know if you're really supposed to do this, but I'm just going to take this and put it in my front garden bed. All right, so that one's empty. Let me put something in there. Now let's deal with, take these 2 out. And I'm going to put these back over here until I'm ready to deal with them. So I have some more room on my table. Okay, put my gloves on so I don't ruin my engagement ring. Oh Lord. Honestly, I should probably take it off. But here we are. Okay, so we have this cell tray, and as you can see, there's a few things that are green that popping out of here. But there's only 4 cell trays that have stuff in them popping out. And I'm going to use this tray to plant some flowers. So it's very risky is the word. It's very risky to take out seedlings that are this young. If they don't take, then they don't take, and that's okay. So we have this here in this tray. You can kind of see these ones. Honestly, I don't know if these little teeny ones are going to make it, but it's okay. I think I'm going to sow some extra ones in this tray just so that the tray doesn't go to waste. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to... Ah! It hurt. done. I have everything here. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to get down here and show you. This is the bottom shelf, and I had all extra pots and stuff down here. So I just put them on the top, and we have another shelf here. I can get some more seed trays and put about probably 2 more. But I started 2 new seed trays. We have Cosmos, Celosia, Johnny Jump Ups, and English Daisies. And then in this one, we have some sunflowers and a zinnia. And then here is just, I did plant some basil in here. And then all of it is just things that I thinned out or replanted. This is all, I've added more gomphrena seeds in here. We can add I could probably get 2 more of these things. So get 2 more here, 2 more of these. And then we have all of these. These are mostly Cosmos. And then these are all kinds of random stuff. I want to also show you guys that I have a seed gardening journal. And basically what I do is after I sow something, I put them in these little extra baggies. So that way I know what it is and the seeds don't fly everywhere. So I have them in this, and then I put them in my actual seed organizer. So what I do is after I sow them, I'll take the stack and then I will put them in my little journal. And I don't know if you can see how I did it here. It's the name of the plants, like basil, what kind of variety it is, Genovese, and then the seed, which is Baker Creek. And then I put sown, germination, transplant, harvest, and notes. And then I leave a couple of blanks here, if you can see how that's working. So that's how I'm keeping track of things this year. And I will just go sit down and take these and write them in. So wanted to show you guys that. Another thing that I added is this oscillating fan. It's pointed towards my seed shelf. And basically when you take the lid off your seed trays, you're going to want to have some sort of oscillating wind. That way it resembles the outdoors, and it'll help the plant be a little bit more sturdy and hardy. And it just kind of helps that. And it helps with airflow, that kind of stuff. So that's a tip that you can use for yourself. But yeah, I'm super excited that I can buy more trays. Yeah, I think this is a good start. I can see where I can get some more seed trays, which is awesome. And what else did I do? I think that's it for this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of seed starting and kind of seed maintenance and keeping up with everything. I will put things down in the description box if you're interested in buying any of the items that I've shown or used. And let me know what you're growing this season. It is like time. It is like go time. So I'm so pumped, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for stopping by.